lang Mountain Dew is. Ayaw mo, te?
Tawagin ko po kayo na. Yung mami egg niya. Ito pa, bago.
Gusto mo maanghang? Ay.
85 lahat na. Ano yung andot ng kain mo? Nasara ako.
Te, gusto mo maanghang, te? Spicy.
Overload na rin.
We need to eat first before we go to Apo.
Ay, ba to?
We need to eat first before we go to Apo. Because I'm so hungry and I just woke up at 7:30 and I didn't eat something.
Hindi ko ito maubos.
Okay lang yan. With egg.
Ito, gusto mo na.
Look, Bill Cooper, I'm wearing your shirts. Malaysia. Very, very inexpensive. This lugaw with egg, it's just 35 pesos. And this Mountain Dew is 15, so total of 50 pesos. Yeah, and this is unlimited water. Unlimited water, bottomless. There's a lot of people. It's just for local. Of course, foreigners is welcome also. If you want to try Filipino food.
Tomato, bell pepper. Yung may market dito mo yung pag malapit ito sa kain.
Look guys, I'm with Ate Evelyn now and we're here in Apo Market. That's why it's always traffic here because there's a trike, motorbike, cars. It's the cause of traffic here in Apo Market.
Santol, naglaway ako.
Santol?
Ayun.
I need to find cover tablecloth.
In America, bubbles.
Traffic again. Check niya tayo. I need to check. Pajama 120.
Kasi pag matagal ang pangit siya lumalabas yung ganyan.
Ah, oo.
Ano na ba ito? Uy, piyasa yun.
Maganda din siya. Lost naman siya eh.
Hindi mo pumasok sa mga.
Oo.
Ito mga ganito po ito.
Yeah, you can use this in the mall. But it's up to you if you want to wear it.
Uy, alam mo ba sa mall, may nakita kang yung mga pantulog na kasi talagang pera.
Oh.
May makita kang gano'n.
Oh.
Ano ba yung sa gising lang? Diretso na tulog sa
Diretso sa mall.
Diretso dito sa mall.
We're going to buy this.
Bilitaan.
And after this, we're going to...
Ito ba yung gusto mo?
Oh,
Ayan, hubad mo na lang kay kuya.
kaya nga. And after this, we're going to the church.
Oh yes, church.
Church time.
Thankful.
For candle, 3 pieces for 10 pesos. Na ano ka? Bendita? Ano, talsikan ako.
Oh, natalsikan ako. Okay.
Yay! We're blessed na.
Masilan talaga?
Opo.
Historia 35, 35, tatlong 100, mga laruan, tatlong 100. 35 lang sa klase, mga laruan, 35, mga presyo sa Historia.
We're finished in the market. In the church. Now we're back in Apo Market.
So may mga tinda atang mga plato.
What did you call this?
Unan.
Hindi, yung tawag dyan. Hotdog. I called it hotdog too. It's a hotdog. Tablecloth. Saan kaya ang tablecloth?
Gulaman, ma'am.
Traffic.
Sige po, gilid po tayo, baka gilid nyo na po. Gilid po.
Magic water.
Paano bilhin yelo po? Paano bilhin yelo? Dito na... Ay! Bibili ka po. Tapos na, manggagaman siya na.
Kanti. Magkano kuya? How much? 50 each?
50 siya.
Oh, 50 each.
Malaki yan sa akin.
Ikaw,
Extra
bumili ka
small.
na.
Extra small ako.
Maliit, may maliit. May maliit naman yan. Ayan sa pinakailalim.
Medium large. Medium large.
May large. Ay, sa taas. Anong size yun?
Wala, medium large.
Large. May brief.
75.
It's all undies.
lang po. Maligse, kwenta.
Pajama. For kids.
Maganda pa!
Now we're heading back. Shrimp. Magkano pa? 300. 300. There's shrimp. Shrimp. May shrimp sila. Gusto mo shrimp? No?
Maliliit. Pag lutuin mo yun, wala na.
Shrimp. I already bought tablecloth.
Ay, baka malaki.
Ay, salamat sa
Gold.
Kuya, mamaya wala ka
Bukas. Ibang kulay na yan pag nabasa.
Kaya nga.
Magic water,
Magic water, 10 pesos. Another magic water.
Alam mo na uso yung mga ganyan-ganyan. No? Meron akong
Kaya
ganyan
nga.
dati, yung mga butterfly. Naipit.
Ako din.
May ganyan ako niyan dati.
Oh, nung high school ako may mapalamuti sa ulo. Iba-iba pang ano design. Hot, I'm sweaty na.
Ito ganyan mga klase. O may makita ka ganyan sa SM.
Yeah, in
Ganyan
SM
mga
I saw
suot.
somebody who wears like this.
Because it's,
In the SM.
it's fashion now.
It's their fashion. Pajama party.
But it's obviously na pang pajama na.
Yeah, it's a night gown. Night. Wow. Loaded.
Yung mga gilid, mag-iingat po tayo. Guys, sa harapan, huwag sa likuran. Yung mga bata, huwag bibitawan.
Kung ngayon na masikip na daan, dapat din yung pinagpadaanan ng mga
Mga
sasakyan.
car, trike,
Dapat kino-close pag
motorbike.
Friday.
Oh, they need to close it every Friday. Lots of people. I'm sweating. Vegetables? Okay. Oh. Oh, masarap. Yay. Ito lang sa akin. I want another hair clip. Panligo sa'yo?
Oo, pabawat ko.
I will try to eat this santol. Sour. Asim. We're here in the fruit stand and vegetables. Ano bibili mo siya?
Tomato and bell pepper. Magkano ganyan?
Tomato and bell pepper.
Alin po?
Ano sa inyo, Tela? Chip.
Oh, may ano oh. Avocado.
Avocado, te. Avocado, manyama. Lalasan dyan.
Matamis yung buto. Oh, tuyo oh. Wait lang ate. Oy, sana all. Ha? Hi. Te. Bili ka? Tuyo.
Magkano po ng bell pepper?
Bell pepper? Di balik tayo pagbalik. Bili ako tuyo mamaya pagbalik. May tuyo. I want dried fish. It looks yummy.
Doon yung mga vegetables. Ayan na.
Oh, another tuyo.
Kahit saan tuyo. Wala ko yung bell pepper.
Fish. No fish. Masarap yun eh. Oh, amazing.
Ito, may kita ko.
I'm so craving.
Ayun, may nakita ko.
Ay, bell pepper. Alutuin mo.
Omelette tomorrow. Breakfast.
Omelette
Breakfast.
Bell pepper and tomato. This santol is sour outside but the seed is sweet. Manyaman in Kapampangan.
Pwede nga.
160 per kilo avocado.
Kasi meron pa ganito, ano, pinakain ko yung matigas pa siya. Ha?
Sa amin, legit yan. Gusto mo buksan natin legit.
Ay, ganyan pala, inog na.
Ay, yung pwede pa bukas o sunod na mga araw ko.
Dito, yung iba.
Ay, ganyan. Pares lang pala siya.
Dragon fruit.
Kaya yung natin, so ano mo, so ano, avocado mo. Ay, inano na ni ate. Di ba ni, ano ka?
Bajaw!
Pakatutok-tutok na natin. Dito na kayo sa Nilo Fruit.
Isa pa na. Yeah. Avocado.
Manyaman niya, lalasan dyan na ba?
Manyaman.
Yan, may mga pagbukas. Nakatingin na kayo.
Manyaman.
Manyaman niya tayo. Lalasan dyan na. Ayan, te. For sure. Pang ano, another day. Wala, another day. Nag-English na.
Kasi ano, it's for her husband.
Wala.
Sa husband niya.
Loko-loko. 1:30 na na, madam.
130. Wow. Cheap. Cheap, cheap, cheap. I want to buy dried fish. Chad, you can't stop me. Don't worry, I won't cook it at home. I will buy the ready-to-eat dried fish. Kapangin.
Okay na to? Okay. Ayun, nakuha na na yung
Hindi kami nag-uusap, pero yung presence na lang nararamdaman ko, that's enough for me. Seryoso po ako sa
80
anak
peso.
niya.
Yun na,
Hindi po ako
80
kanya always.
This one is 40.
sa 80
I'll buy
ka
the
na lang.
80.
Kung nakikita mo po,
Yun, leche pala yun.
pagkita sa mga
Leche yan,
pangako
leche yan.
sa unang inabot.
Lychee.
Lychee. Parang leche ka.
Leche.
Alam natin, mabili ako ng mga ganyang snacks o yung malalaki.
Tutok mo.
Ano pa?
That's it.
Kasi
That's it for today. I have dried fish now.
may dragon seeds sila. Oh.
Guys, his name is Chris. Your name is Chris? Where do you live now?
Malabayas.
Malabanyas? You live in Malabanyas. So we gave him just a few money, just a little bit money, just to help him for the day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care too.
Yeah, take care. Thank you. Saan yun? Huh? So we just passed by to that guy and I asked his name and if where did he live here in the Philippines. I didn't ask him much questions because I'm shy. I still need to practice more questions about them. Yeah, because it just happened. So I'm not prepared. We'll see next time. We just gave him a few pesos.
Come here for Zago.
So I just called Chad and I told him that we need to go back here in Apo Market to interview that guy. So
Next
yeah, next time because maybe
next
tomorrow or yeah.
Next week ata, Friday.
He's just here every Apo. Or we'll try to swing by tomorrow
Maybe only
if
Friday.
he's there. So we will interview him. again, once again, because all I asked him is about his name and where did he live. So it's not enough. We need to ask question more. So we just ordered Zago. Zago, oo. Baby size. Yeah, we just ordered Zago and Master Siomai before we go home. Snacks first. Kanino sa sa'yo?
69 sa akin eh.
Sa akin 85. Mas ano nga sa akin?
85 yung baby see?
Oo, ayun o. 85 o Philippine mango.
Ah, 85.
There's my shrimp, siomai, and may Zago. You got the pork and shrimp?
Mm.